Yeah, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am DS Beat. I'm DS Bamboo from DS Beat Entertainment, and today I want to talk about my 5 features why I love Prisoner Studio One. I'm using version 4 precisely. So, if you are watching this video for the first time and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that whenever I drop any new videos, you'll be notified. Subscribe and click the bell button. So now, on to my 5 features why I love Prisoner Studio One. And my number 1 features why I love Prisoner Studio One is the UI, the user interface. The Prisoners has done a very good work on the UI because the UI is designed to make work very easy and flow. Yes, very easy and flow. It's really formatted in such a way that it doesn't eat up your screen. You can see, you can go to the mixer, work on the mixer, come back, work on your effect, and at the same time, and work on the tools. You know, it gives you a very good option of work with at a speculated time. It makes everything easy. It makes mixing easy for you. You don't really need to have double screen. That's my number 1 features why I love Studio One. Number 2 is the drag and drop. These features has been so cute, has been so full of fun. Like seriously. Now, if I want to send this particular channel to a particular effect, on other doors you have to open a channel, you happen to open an effect channel, then route that particular channel you want to send to the effect channel. But on Prisoners, I'm happy to tell you that you only need to pick the effect from the browser, drop it on the send straight, and Prisoner will automatically open the FX channel, then route your channel to the FX channel automatically with just 1 click, pick and drop. It has been awesome. You know, it has been awesome. I love that features as number 2. Then my number 3, putting plugin at the input. Wow. This option is crazy. It's crazy. If you want to record and you want to record your guitar and you want to tune you want your guitar to be tuned as you are playing it, you don't really need to waste your time tuning. No, just pick your tuner, drop it on the input, and you play your guitar through the tuner, and your guitar is tuned once and for all. I love that 3rd features about them. And the number 4 feature that I love about Prisoners is their mixer. Yes, you see, the mixer is created in such a way that if you open any effect, yeah, you don't really need to open the effect before you can amend anything on the effect. Once you open your channel, the effect will be open at a smaller view that you can quickly do whatever you want to do on it. So you don't really need to open the bigger view of the effect. I love these features because you can be working on the mixing and you just discover a particular frequency that you want to cut. You just come there immediately and cut it straight. You come there and cut. You come there and compress whatever you want to compress. You don't really need to open the bigger view of the effect. That's my number 4 why I love Prisoner Studio One. And my number 5 why I love Prisoner Studio One is that it comes with this arranger. I think some other DAWs like Fruity Loops do have a kind of this, but there's something about this DAW. The arranger has some factors that are very different to other doors. And the factors is when you set up your arranger and you eventually want to copy everything under the arranger. This is very, 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 very good, very, very amazing. You don't have to like cut this side, then cut the other side, then select everything under that component and copy. No, you just pick the arranger, just pick the arranger alone. Let me see, maybe I'll be able to like, just pick the arranger. You pick the arranger, move it. Everything, every component, every instrument, every voices under the arranger, we move or we copy with the arranger. And that's my number 5. You know, these 5 features has been so amazing about PreSonus, and I love it so much. I love it so much. I'm not using this video to cast down other doors. No, no. As a matter of fact, working with PreSonus doesn't make you sound better than other doors, but it will make your work flow and fast. It will make your mindset of what you want to do on a project very easy, and it makes mixing very easy and fast. That's why I love Studio One. So if you're watching this video, you as well can comment your 5 features why you love Studio One at the comment button. And if you're watching the video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell button so that whenever I drop any video, you'll be notified. Thank you. Thanks for watching.